Clear communication between your shop and your customers is always going to be a top priority, but it shouldn't be a top time consumer. With the new Customer Booking and Estimate feature, you can streamline communication through more digitized and automated processes. Your customers can now place booking requests through their Access Portal. Simply let them know about the 2 new tabs where they can place a request with a preferred date, location, and include any relevant details for the unit's repair. On your shop side, find the corresponding request under the new tab on the Service Board and respond with one of 4 available options. If the customer has gone ahead and provided you with enough detail regarding the work required, you're able to provide an estimate for approval, getting you another step ahead in the process. All requests and responses from the shop trigger email notifications to ensure nothing gets left behind. These are just a few of the ways EMDECS is helping to save you more time and increase your operations efficiency at every level.